Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something pretty incredible for anyone fascinated by the underwater world. The advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm. This is being marketed as the ultimate tool for marine exploration, and based on the specs, it certainly looks promising. First off, the camera. It boasts immersive 4K video recording. Imagine capturing the vibrant life of a coral reef or the mysterious depths of a lake in stunning high resolution. The VR capability is designed to give you that first-person, truly immersive feel, putting you right there underwater. For getting down deep, it comes with a substantial 100-meter cable. That's a good depth for exploring many environments. Control is handled via a robust remote system, and the FPV operation is intuitive, offering real-time viewing thanks to seamless Wi-Fi connectivity. This means you see exactly what the drone sees as it happens. Build-wise, it's described as durable and reliable. It's built to handle a wide range of temperatures, from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius, which covers most typical underwater conditions you'd encounter. The material is listed as plastic, and the dimensions are roughly 15 by 5.6 by 13 inches, making it a reasonably sized piece of equipment. Battery life is always crucial for exploration tools. This drone packs a 9,000 milliamp hours battery, promising up to 4 hours of exploration time. That's a decent duration for a single dive or session, allowing you ample time to investigate your surroundings. Now, what really sets this model apart is the inclusion of a robotic arm. This adds a whole new dimension beyond just observation. It allows for interaction, perhaps collecting a small sample, placing a marker, or even assisting with underwater tasks. This feature elevates it from just a viewing platform to a more functional tool. It comes ready to go with the battery and camera included. The manufacturer suggests this drone is versatile, suitable for marine research, underwater photography, recreational diving, fishing, monitoring marine life, or even searching for sunken items. Its user-friendly design aims to make it accessible for both seasoned professionals and casual hobbyists. Combining the high-resolution 4K VR camera, the extended range, the practical robotic arm, and a solid battery life, this drone appears to be a comprehensive package for anyone serious about exploring beneath the surface. The focus on user-friendly operation alongside advanced features seems like a smart approach. It's designed for a hassle-free and enjoyable experience, bringing the underwater world closer than ever.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.